Welcome to EDU World Space.
Okay, so as you know that the Avogadro number is 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. So this is our Avogadro number. So if we have this number of pennies, then how much dollar we have from this? So it will give us in dollar amount, that is one penny over, oh no, $1 over 100 pennies. So this much pennies will give us 6.02 times 10 to the power 21 dollar. So now this is the amount we're going to distribute among 321 million people. So the number of people is 321 million times 10 to the power 6. So this is the amount of the people. So how much each person will get is simply we have to divide this value by this, and that will give us um dollar received per person is simply 6.02 times 10 to the power 21 over the number of people, which is 321 times 10 to the power 6, and this will give us a value of 1.8754 times 10 to the power 13. So this is the dollar that will be received by each person. Now we have to compare this value with the um, value of the GDP, which is given as 17.419 trillion. So the GDP value is 17.419 trillion, or times 10 to the power 12 dollar. Now we have to compare the dollars received per person with this value. That means dollar received per person is 1.8754 times 10 to the power 13. And we compare this with the value of the GDP, which you can write 1.7419 times 10 to the power 13. It will give us a value of 1.0766. So this is the ratio, or we can just write it as a ratio, and this is the ratio of um, the amount of money or dollar received by each person if we have distributed the Avogadro number amount of pennies among 321 million people, and if we compare that value with the GDP of the United States for a certain year, then that comparison will give us a ratio of 1.0766 is to 1.